Hello friends, welcome to BISP trainings, and today I am going to show you how to pull the dashboard from another application to our application. Let me explain you. This is our one application, that is the Smart Connect. You can see here Smart Connect, and this is our another application, that is Lead Analytics. Now there are some charts that are visible on its dashboard. Now I want to pull this dashboard on my dashboard. I want to see all those charts uh, along with my lead analytics chart. I want to see these charts also on my dashboard, so I have to pull these charts. I have to pull the dashboard, and I'm not having any database. I just want to pull that dashboard. So what I will do here, it is done in three steps. First of all, I will send a requests.get URL. I will provide a complete URL. That URL will include the function that will send me the data. Another is when this request hits this application, another application where we have to fetch the data, HTTP response JSON dumps, it will send query set and data dictionary in the form of JSON, and then I will decode this JSON and I will read the data. Let me show you. Now look at this is our real application, live application, Smart Connect. There are some charts here, and this is my another application, Lead Analytics. I have to get the charts from Smart Connect. So what I have done here, where is it? Yes, this is views. First of all, requests.get, this is the complete URL. This is default dashboard data function name. It's a function name. When this request hits that function name, it will send the data. Look at this. This is the context. These are the dictionaries that we normally send to the data. Now what we have done here, I have taken here another dictionary, and in this dictionary I have pushed the data, and this is OPP underscore win, that is the complete query set. You can't send the query set along with this data because these are the lists and this is a query set, so both are different. So first I have done here serialized. I have serialized the data, and then now it is ready to be sent in the form of JSON dumps. And now when it is sent, when the other side, look at this dictionary JSON, when this R variable receives it, I have to decode it. Then new dictionary, I have created a new variable, or we can say new dictionary, and I have pushed all the data in this variable new dictionary. The variable name is activity owner, and then dictionary JSON data dictionary activity owner. Data dict means this data dict. So it will fetch the data. In this way we fetch the data of the dictionary, and query set data equal to JSON dot loads dictionary JSON query set. Query set means this is the query set here, query set. So what I have done here, I have taken another list data set. I have appended the complete data: opportunity owner, account name, opportunity name, amount name, lead source, and I have pushed it into the new dictionary, that is the dictionary, and then I have returned it where it is called. For example, just control F, here it is called. So reporting dictionary along with the previous data, I have sent it to the reporting dashboard HTML. Reporting dashboard HTML, I have used it as usual, and I have added it into the JavaScript. So this is how we use the API to fetch the dashboard from another application to this application. So I hope you will find this video more informational, and if you like this video, then please subscribe my channel. So thanks a lot. Thank you.